It's actually a taxi man, you know, why I make this product. Because he always said to me, Pat, you're pregnant, why your belly so big? So I said, no man, I can't be a herbalist and my belly big.
This is the DETOX Dynamo. My JamHearts, how you do? Awesome, awesome. You remember Miss Pat? That lady who shared with us the purple gourd, that special fruit, that big huge fruit. And she's also the same lady that showed us that special concoction she called the Dig It Up wine. Yes man, from Westmoreland here in Jamaica. She's gonna share with us the amazing health benefits of this plant, the burdock. And it's here, found right here in Jamaica. First though, a special shout out. There's a JamHearts member, Brenda Daly. Brenda, if you're watching now, special shout out to you. Listen, Brenda actually reached out to me at least 4 times asking me about burdock. She wanted us to do a special feature on it. So today, this is for you, Brenda. If you though are here for the first time, for whatever reason, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to join us, man. And we're on a roll, talking about the real Jamaica. Everything good Jamaica, but trust me, we are so consumed now. We're excited about these medicinal herbs of Jamaica. And so we don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Miss Pat and the amazing health benefits of burdock here in Jamaica. Let's go. So from the cool hills of my favorite parish guy, the Westmoreland, Jamaica, here is she, Miss Pat. How you doing?
I'm good.
Awesome. And this is the mystery plant. The mystery plant. The burdock, you said, right?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to go first. Guys, I'm going to be brutally honest with you. I'm going to be brutally honest with you and honest with Miss Pat. Because she told me about burdock. And I have seen this and grew up with this plant. Some of you know what I'm talking about. This bush was used back in the country. A lot of people use it for sanitary purposes, right? But anyway, we're going to talk about its amazing health benefits today. Tell me about this plant, Miss Pat.
This plant, we call it the burdock plant. This burdock plant, we used to use it when we were smaller for our toilet paper. And we used to use it to wash the dishes, for example.
As well?
Yes. So when you put it in the water, you just rub it up like this, and it becomes soapy. But it is also a medicinal bush.
Yes, yes.
Good medicinal bush.
Yes, yes. So, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks. The leaves, and the leaves are actually kind of spongy. What do you say? Spongy.
It's coarse.
It's not so coarse.
Yes, it's coarse, especially when it get older. Yeah, especially the back. Right here.
Oh, I got you. But they call it the velvet plant, right?
Yes, yes.
The velvet plant, right?
Yes, yes.
So if you know what we're talking about, guys, tell me what you know it as. So you're seeing it now, right? So we call it the velvet plant. We call it burdock as well. And this is the flowers, huh?
Yes, and when the flowers get mature, it hook on your clothes, and it hard to pick off. It can juke you, but not to hurt you.
Where do we typically find this plant?
In the woodland, in the hills mostly. I've never seen it in town or anywhere, but you can find it in the hills of Westmoreland.
All right. So how do we typically use it? You said for medicine.
Okay, what you do, you extract it, you boil it for tea.
Yeah. Oh, historically, yes.
Yes, you boil it for tea.
Which part of it?
You can boil the leaf, and you can use the root, and you can use also the skin.
The skin.
Yes, this is the skin. All right. So the skin of it, if you put it into water, if you put this into the water and soak it, it actually gets thick like a tuna. Yeah, so when you drink it, it kind of feel heavy. But it's very, very good.
Yes.
Very, very good.
Awesome, awesome. And is there a special time to use it? I mean, from your experience?
Well, we don't use it when it's seedy like this. It's actually, when it's younger, or when it's not so mature, the leaf get bigger. and then you can use it. But when it's seedy like this, the leaf small.
Oh, it's smaller.
Yes, the leaf gets smaller. But when it's mature, the leaf is big.
How did you come to know about this plant, Miss Pat?
Well, to tell you the truth, we used to use it when I was small. My grandmother used to use it, for example, mostly to wash dishes and stuff like this. And few people around me, like the older people, used to use it as tea. You know, just to make tea. That's what I know about it at that time. But when I've done my own research, I realized that it actually bring back unhealthy to healthy. It detox and purify the blood. It clean your body. It just detoxes you.
Yes, yeah.
You know, give you energy. And I've give this bush to person, and when they drink it, before I when they come to me at first, they used to walk slow. And after drinking this bush, they start to go faster. So it gives you a real energy.
Yeah. Well, clean up the system, eh?
Yeah, clean up the system.
But we're gonna pull one of them guys. We're gonna pull one. If I want here, we're gonna pull you because I understand all of it can be used, right?
Problem.
We're gonna pull this one and take a look at the root. All right. So this is the root.
Yeah.
And this is what they call the burdock root now.
Yeah.
Because people use the root as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's take a quick picture of it.
You can feel it. Look at it. Feel it and you feel the gum.
Oh,
See it?
Hold it right there. Hold it. Oh, there's.
You feel the gum?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. There's an actual gooey feel to it.
Yes. So when you put this in the water and just like a tuna, it actually become gummy and thick.
Oh, cool. Oh, and look at this, guys. Look at this. Enjoying the burdock as well. This is nature in its glory. Nature in its glory with a gentle breeze blowing. So we call this a DETOX Dynamo. What do we mean by that? Let me explain. And this is information. This is medically reviewed information I'm going to share with you now about this amazing plant. Axe Other Dynamic Cleanser, specifically targeting the blood and the lymphatic system. Its potent natural compounds work in harmony to flush out toxins, right, Miss Pat?
Yes.
Yeah, man, that's what she has been talking about, providing a rejuvenating and refreshed feeling to the entire body. By supporting the liver's essential detoxification processes, Burdock ensures that harmful substances are efficiently removed from the bloodstream. This detoxifying prowess not only contributes to internal cleanliness, but also promotes overall well-being. So, Ms. Pat, you said it before, it's not just a herb, it's a detox dynamo, revitalizing you from within. And it's just a beauty again to catch the bees here, boy. We're so lucky. Catch the bees here, enjoying the burdock while we feature this amazing plant. So, the top 10 health benefits. We can't leave without talking about that. Number one, we said it's a detox. It is a detox dynamo. And I spoke about that already. It's a powerful cleanser, especially for the blood and lymphatic system, flushing out toxin for a refreshed feeling. Number two, it is an anti-inflammatory wonder. The properties of burdocks may bring relief to inflammation conditions like arthritis and related ailments, reducing discomfort from promoting joint health. So when you talk about that lady that you treated, right, Miss?
Yes.
That you treated in the market.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, this lady used to sell in the market, you said,
Not
right?
the market, some shops. Some shops.
Oh, okay. And this lady you helped, and she was able to walk again?
Yes.
All right.
Well,
so
she was walking like a
bed. Yes.
And
but you gave her this?
Yes, man. And when I saw her coming, she was stepping so fast.
Yes.
And she was so excited. And she said to me, this burdock is very good. It's very good.
Yeah.
See how I'm walking now?
Oh.
It's an energy tonic. You know, and she was so excited. You know?
Yeah. So the energy, so what you may not have known is that, well, the energy is one, but also it is anti-inflammatory.
Yes.
So whatever inflammation was in the body probably helped to clean it up.
Yes.
So,
yes.
wow, to God be the glory.
Yes. And it is also a vegetable.
People use it to eat it?
Yes.
What you saying?
Yeah.
All right. I didn't even know that. Well, I know number 3. We bring me to number 3 though. And I know you use it, and maybe that's why it glows on your skin. It actually soothes the skin, they say, you know.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
man. So you're a regular user. So this
Yes.
lady, oh, okay. For the record, full disclosure, guys. This lady, actually, I don't know if you call her herbalist, but she does herbs, right? She makes herbal concoctions and root tonic, right? So no surprise, her skin looks so pretty. And it could very well be because of the burdock. So yes, it soothes the skin. Burdock is renowned for its skin soothing abilities and providing a natural remedy for issues such as acne and eczema, fostering clearer and healthier skin. Number 4, aids in digestion. Burdock, which is rich in fiber, promotes a healthy digestive system, potentially alleviating various stomach issues and contributing to overall gut well-being. Number 5, and we're going to 10. We're going to 10 quickly, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me. Number 5, it offers joint support. We spoke about that a little bit a while ago as well. Regular consumption of burdock may provide relief from joint pain and discomfort, supporting better mobility and flexibility. That lady again that you give the burdock and she start running. Number 6, burdock loves your liver, they say. Burdock is a friend of your liver, supporting its health and aiding in essential detoxification processes. Again, we spoke about that. Number 7, it boosts the immune system. I know, and to be honest with you, initially, I took this plant for granted, but I have learned something, and Steve will tell you guys, my cousin, that I've said it some time ago that every plant on this earth here have a purpose. We just don't know. We just don't know. But anyway, number 7. Oh, actually, number 7, boosts immune system. It is packed with antioxidants. Burdock contributes to a robust immune system, helping your body defend against illnesses. And number 8, coming down, it regulates blood sugar. It regulates blood sugar. It may assist in maintaining stable blood sugar levels, offering potential benefits for those managing diabetes. And number 9, we have a unique approach to this, which we're gonna talk about. Miss Pat has something to demonstrate, and it's in relation to weight management. Yes, man, weight management. Thanks to its fiber content, burdock creates a sense of fullness, potentially supporting weight management goals. And number 10, it holds cancer-fighting potential. While more research is needed, some studies actually suggest that burdock may possess properties with the potential to combat certain types of cancer. Yes, man, amazing stuff.
Yes.
Amazing stuff. Are there any cautions of burdock? Of course there are. Like anything else in life, there's a way and a how to do it, and there's a when to do it. So based on my research here, guys, I've pulled in some scholarly articles and some information that I've used to share this information to get this information to share with you. And the main one is burdock acts as a natural diuretic, so it may increase dehydration. So if you're taking diuretic medication, you need to be mindful of that. And the bonus, Miss Pat has something. She has another concoction. You know, she's not gonna allow me to leave without sharing some of her works here with you guys. So you use burdock. You use burdock to make what, Miss Pat?
I use the burdock. I use this because I use it so much. And I realize the value and the benefit of this plant. I use this plant to make an oil. So I use the oil now to make a belly product to take off belly fat by just rubbing it on. Belly gone, she call it. Belly gone.
Ladies and gentlemen, belly gone, she call it, using this.
Yes.
All right. So you want to show us what is it like?
What the belly gone?
Yeah, man. You want to see, man. I want to see. And do you? I'm taking it that you use it, right, Miss Pat? You use it?
Yes.
So this is
this is the belly gone.
This is the belly gone.
Yes.
So all right. So full disclosure again, you have the burdock oil in there. Oh, so the burdock oil in there, and the castor oil in there, and pimento in there, ginger, and menthol.
Yes.
That's the belly. That's the blender. But the burdock, you said, is a key ingredient.
Yes.
In this amazing. So how you use it?
You rub it on.
Oh,
take
this
out
looks
some.
good. Looks good.
Yeah, you take out some. You rub on like this amount just to grease the belly.
All right.
So
rub it on my hand.
This is too much. Alright. So what I do, I even use it on my skin too, you know, at night. And if you look at my skin, yeah. So you rub it on your skin, and if you feel,
it feels smooth too.
Smooth, yeah. Yeah, you can smell it now. Smell it and tell me.
It smells good. Oh, it's a nice mental. Oh, nice. So you use it?
Yes.
So you are a testimony?
Yes.
Oh,
because
I'm not gonna ask your age, but I just to say, but you're a grandmother.
Yes, I am.
I'm not your grandmother.
Yes.
You're a big woman and big grandkids.
Yes.
Oh, yes. So this is actually work for you?
Yes.
Oh,
It worked for me because I have done 2 C-section. And when you do the C-section, it actually leave you with a
bulgy puff.
A puffy belly. Yeah. So what I do, it's actually a taxi man, you know, why I make this product. Because he always said to me, Pat, you're pregnant, why your belly so big? So I said, no man, I can't be a herbalist and my belly big. So I come up with this product. And from I start use this product, man, full of figure, man.
Alright, okay.
Yeah,
Well,
man, so you rub it on like 2 times per day. You make sure you put it in the navel right here, and you rub it right around the hair. Because if you rub it right here will only go down and leave right here up. So you have to make sure you rub it.
The entire ear.
Yes.
And you do it how often?
2 times per day. Just like how you use a lotion and you dedicate yourself to your lotion, you just use it just the same, and you just make sure you rub it on 2 times daily. And within a month,
you see the difference?
You're looking very good.
The belly gone, courtesy of the Burdock.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yes.
Well, I want to big you up. Big up my spot for me, guys. Big up my spot. I want to thank you for your creativity, right, and your ingenuity. But you're not done yet. You have something else?
Yes, and this is actually the Burdock tincture. Yes, so this is what I give to the lady. Yes.
Oh, the lady who couldn't walk?
Yes. Well, she could walk, but she walks slow. Yeah, so this is what I give to her, and it energizes her. It's strong because it's a tincture.
Oh, so you're going to give me some? Sure. So this now is going back to the detox component of it. It helps to clean the system.
Yes.
So if I take it, it
yes, good for your stomach.
All right. Well, I'm gonna take it. All right, watch me, guys. I'm gonna take a little of the tincture here. So the Burdock, I'm gonna take it now as a living, breathing testimony. It probably won't work one time, but symbolically, I'm taking the Burdock. Okay? This is the tincture.
Yes.
All right, guys. Cheers.
Come back.
It's strong. It tastes like roots, man. You think them strong, man?
Yeah.
It tastes like real roots. It tastes good too.
Yeah. When it's going down, you feel a little different, right?
Yeah, it is.
In your
throat.
Yeah.
But it's not bitter or anything, guys.
No.
Very good. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Give her a big up. Give her a big up. Give her a thumbs up right now, guys. Give her a thumbs up. Thumbs up. All right. Good. Well done. One more thing you want to show. What's this now? You want to show?
This is the Burdock. The skin of the Burdock. So you just peel it off, like I'll just show you just now.
Yeah, right here. Hold on. Let me just show me.
Yeah.
All right. So just peel it like this. So this is it. Okay.
Right.
Peel it off like that.
Yes.
And then put it in. Is that water?
Yes, put it in water. Yeah, and you can just drink it.
Preferably filtered water.
Yes, filtered water. Yes, this is natural water. You know, so you can just drink it like drink a half glass or a full glass because it's in water, and you're good. Keep it in the fridge if you want it to serve more than one.
So that's another way to use it.
Yes,
just drink it like a water.
Yes. And as I mentioned to you before, kind of have a thick. You know, see. Thick. You see it? Look at it.
Oh, yes. Kind of slimy.
Slimy.
Yeah. Because it's naturally slimy. When I feel. Take time, you know. Take time. All right, so that's another way to consume it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you can make your tea.
Yes.
You can make your tincture.
Yes.
And you can make the belly gone the rub.
Yes.
Mix it with other stuff.
Yes.
And now you have it like water. Fantastic. I bought a bigger one. Guys, put right now, do for me. Go to the comments and drop and put belly gone there for me. Belly gone, right?
Yes.
BELLYGONE. Drop it in there. This lady is doing wonders, man. In the bushes here in Westmoreland. We have a little challenge, right? So we have a little challenge, guys. This is a little fun part now, a little bonus for you. My wife is here, and Miss Spot say she gonna give her because she want her belly to gone too. So she's in a handover.
Yes.
This is the handover ceremony.
Yes.
And because we want to have a before and after, you know. So look out for the after. You know. You're not so bad though, Lord,
No,
man. Okay.
she's not that bad.
But
You know, I want her to go down like this.
Okay, all right, okay, cool,
Yeah,
cool.
like this.
All right.
Yes.
That's where we're aiming.
All right,
Yes.
good.
So within the next month, I should see her like this.
Okay, all right, good.
Within a full month, I want
Okay.
her to take a before and after picture.
All right.
So,
Ladies and gentlemen, the belly gone, Mrs. Gail.
I want to present you with this belly gun.
All right, we'll see.
Thank you.
We'll see.
I'll be a testimony, guys.
Well, if we don't have another video, at least I'll put it in the comment and stay close to the community. And if you're not
That's
subscribe because we're gonna show the after guy. All right then, love it. Thank you, Miss Pat. Thank you. Oh my God! After that amazing presentation, you would have crucified me, guys. I almost forgot to ask the lady how. If you're interested in getting in touch, with her for any of these products, how can they reach you, Miss Pat?
You can contact me by phone. The number is 876-781-3724.
Awesome.
Call or WhatsApp.
Call or WhatsApp.
Yeah.
All right, and we have it in the description. We have the link in the description as well, guys. Good time to plug as well. Listen, if you have not gotten my new book, I have a book, 101 Amazing Wellness Secrets from Jamaica, that highlights some of these amazing herbs and their benefits. You need to see it. There's a link in the description to that as well. Make sure you check it. You check it out. All right, guys. This is a rural community, and I've seen a ton of medicinal herbs here. I can't resist them. I'm gonna ask Miss Pat here to tell you about a few of them here quickly before we go. This one?
This is the Jack in the Bush, or Jacana Bush.
Jacana Bush, yes.
Yes. And this is the Jacana Bush family, which is called the Queen of the Meadow.
Queen of the Meadow, a beautiful.
Or gravel root. So you can do your own research. Yes.
Gravel root. All right, we're gonna check that one out. But let me test another. So this is dandelion. Help me now. Agree with me.
This is a different type of dandelion.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a dandelion.
Shema Maka here. Yeah, man. Right? Touch it and it gone. Yes. Shema Maka.
Yes.
Spanish Needle here.
Yes.
Spanish Needle here.
Yes, and this is horehound.
Horehound.
The Bible call it horehound. It's a bitter herb. Yeah.
Okay. We already talk about the Shema Maka did and we same way. We talk about the Spanish Needle. This is of course the burdock here. The burdock here. I see. What is this, Miss Pat? You know this one?
No,
this one look like a sauce up or something.
I don't know what is it. It's a wild coffee.
That's a fern here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's wild coffee. Okay.
Yes.
Let me see if I see
this is strongback.
Strongback.
Yes, this is strongback.
Oh, the strongback.
Yes.
Nice.
And this is the dog tongue. The dog tongue or ironweed.
Ironweed.
Yeah.
This is the same one here.
Yes.
Oh, cool. We're learning. Let me see if I see any more here quickly. Oh, I see. Oh. Of course, your vervine. Vervine.
This is the man vervine.
The man vervine. Okay. More burdock here. I think I saw guava somewhere. Guava. Let me see. This is bonus on top of bonus for you guys. What is that one?
We call it strongman.
Strongman. I thought I was a guava. Anyway, lots and lots of herbs here.
And this is the
Which one?
The name slipped my mind.
No, remember the name. All right, guys, if you remember the name, put it in the comment now. Put it in the comment. We don't Miss Pat don't remember that name. This is a guava.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah, man, guava.
Yeah,
man.
Yeah.
That's what I wanted to say. Okay, good.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
That's it.
And the sage, it named sage.
Oh, that's what you were showing.
Yes,
that's the sage?
yes, wild sage.
Wild sage.
Yeah.
Man, and this is cayenne pepper. growing wild here, guys. This is more stuff. And this is tangerine. That's a tangerine tree right there. Right? I see lots and lots of jacana bush. All of this is jacana bush, you know. More Spanish Needle. More Spanish Needle with bees. More jacana bush. This is oh boy, come on, tell me, put it in the comments. I'm trying to remember. Put it in the comments, help me here. Oh my god, I can't believe I forget this one. Jeez, help me here, guys. Oh jeez. Leaf Alive, yes. Leaf Alive here. And the Leaf Alive is actually at the foot of a sour orange tree. Look at that. Look at that. The people that seem to don't even pay any mind here. It's just growing wild in the bushes here. You know the bush?
Yeah, man, I know it's a bush, man.
Tell me what you know about it.
We don't know about it. We always go a bush or clean it.
All right.
Man.
Oh boy, this is Jamaica. That's the burdock, guys. The burdock found right here in Jamaica. And the belly gun, courtesy of Miss Pat. Jump to the comments again, and if you have not yet done, put belly gun right now. Belly gun right now. And listen, if you have not shared this video yet, do it now. Hit that share button and send it to someone. Others need to see it, man. Come on, all of these amazing stuff we have here. We take them for granted. Do it now. There's another video you need to see. The one with the old lady. That old lady in the hills of Kensington, I think. Miss Mama, you need to see it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.